Okay, dog face, get out of there. Okay, this is the Carol shoe. It was previously repaired, and the top is beautiful, and the bottom one actually can be extended. Shall we say, right, huh?
Yes.
Like this?
It's
Okay.
too tight.
Okay, so it is too. What's that word, hon?
It's too short.
It's too short, is that? As you can see. Hi, this is the camera guy. Hi. Let me see here. Hi.
It won't close, huh?
It won't close. There you go. So,
It will not close.
okay, honey.
It's too whatever you do.
A little too short.
It's too short. It won't go.
Okay. I think we got it.
Got it? Oh my
Here's the dog.
God.
Here's the dog. Hey, honey. Say goodbye.
Oh.
Say goodbye. Woof. Over and out. Little tail wagging.